Hello and welcome to How to Automotive. Today I'm going to do a little tool review of the Private Brand Tools Crankshaft and Camshaft Seal Remover and Installation Tool. So stay tuned for that. So this tool comes with a puller with a couple different size unique pulling arms that attaches to the puller. It also comes with interchangeable sleeves and mandrels for installing the seals. They include a DVD to show you how to use the tool, and they also have some detailed diagrams and pictures of the tool being in use. So now I'm going to show you the tool in action. I got the chance to remove a cam and a crank seal. So what I'm doing here is pressing in one of the puller arms into the seal, and it hooks on the inside. So at the very tip of the puller is a 90-degree bend, and you hook that in like this, and then you rotate it around like this. And that hooks on the inside of the seal. Now you install the puller portion of it by sliding the arms into the puller like this, and then you screw the center nut into the center port of the cam here. And then as you tighten this or screw it inwards, it's going to pull on those arms and pull the seal out. I used my 1/4-inch cordless ratchet here to screw the center nut inwards, and when you screw it inwards, it pulls on the seal and pulls it out of the cam here. So to pull this cam seal out, it took about a minute in total. So now I'm going to show you how to reinstall the seal. So I cleaned up the mating surface. I put the seal into position, and I pressed the seal in with my fingers just to get it started and to make sure it's nice and level. Then I found a sleeve that best fit the cam seal and fit over the end of the cam here, and I used a mandrel, and then I used the original bolt from the cam pulley and screwed it into the end of the cam, and now I'm tightening it up, and as I'm tightening it up, it's pushing the seal in, and it's drawing it in perfectly level. So I went in until I felt it bottom out, and then I felt the mandrel bottom out, and now I backed it off, and then you just check the fit and make sure it's nice and flush around. So that's how you would remove and install a cam seal. Now we're going to go below and do the crank seal. So the crank has a longer shank sticking out, so we need to use the longer arms, and you poke that into the seal like we did the cam seal. And so you poke it in at a 90-degree angle, and then you rotate them around, and then that'll hook into the inside lip of the seal. Now we can take our puller and hook it into the arms of the pulling arms here, and then we screw the center portion into the end of the crank. It has a cone shape that fits perfectly in there, and there's not a lot of pressure in there, so you don't have to worry about messing up threads or anything. These seals come out really easy. So now we're going to just screw the center portion of the bolt here into the crank, and that's going to pull onto the little arms that we installed, and it's going to pull the seal out. On this one, I'm doing it by hand with a little hand ratchet. So the puller made quick work of removing this seal. It was pretty easy. So now that I got the crank all cleaned up, we're going to install the new seal. So I just slide it over the crank. And I have a little bit of grease on the inside of the seal to help it slide on there. And I start it nice and flush by hand. Then I find the proper sleeves and mandrels that will fit over the end of the crank. So I had to stack a few of the sleeves together. And now I'm using the original bolt from the crank pulley to thread into the end of the crank. So you thread it in, and then you switch over to a ratchet, and then you can ratchet the bolt in, and basically you're going to rotate it in until you feel the seal fully seat at the bottom. And then after it's fully seated at the bottom, you just loosen up the crank pulley bolt and take it back off, and you check your fit. So as you can see, it works very well installing and removing the seal. I will leave a link for the kit in the description of the video. I'm Brian Esser from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you for watching, encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this. Thank you again for watching.